think the birds is trapped, you guys. So I gotta open up the back door. So, birds is trapped in there. Oh, so they won't come in the house. Ooh, look at them, you guys. Look at them. Yep.
Oh, fuck, it finally got out. It's been there for a while. I didn't know.
Oh, shoot.
You can come on in the back door.
Yeah.
It must have finally got out then.
I still got still got my stuff in the car, but I'm gonna come in the back. Yo, what's up, you guys? Stay tuned for this cinnamon toast crunch ice cream review that I'm gonna do later, and then I'm gonna record some songs that I wrote too as well. Let me show y'all.
That's amazing, though.
Yeah, I'm glad the birds got out,
because way back, like an hour or so ago, I was sitting here doing surveys and I kept hearing like a tapping sound.
Yeah, this is what I wrote, you guys, so far, but I'm gonna record it later. Alrighty, you guys. Bye-bye. I'm gonna show y'all some snow, you guys. See. Show y'all some stuff. Snowing outside is rain. I'm gonna take a walk. Take a walk with me, you guys. Keep in mind I have 2 coats on, you guys. All that stuff. Look at all that stuff, you guys. Look at that stuff. I'm gonna go across. Be really careful. Yep, y'all can hear my breath, so, because I'm outside. Snowing. It's snowing. It's glowing. Whew. Let me put on a glove so y'all could see me pick up snow. This is going to be a premiere, you guys. See? So we got some snow cream in there and everything like that, so yeah. It's just still snoring. It is snowing. It is glowing. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. And I'm outside, so that's why you can hear my breath, because I'm outside. I'm showing y'all. See, look at the footprints. Look at all that footprints, you guys. Yeah, I saved the day. I saved the birds, because the birds were stuck in there for a little while. And then I opened up the back door, you know, with a screen, the back door screen. And then the birds were saved, and I let them out. Thank God Byron saved the birds. See? Yeah. Because y'all heard the birds flying and everything. Yep. So what is everybody up to? I hope everybody's staying out of trouble. maintaining, being positive, staying away from negativity and everything. We've been having a really snowy day, but me and my girl been getting along. We had been getting along ever since I've been here, and everything has been great. It is great. Like Tony the Tiger, it is great. Yep, it is great, you guys. So I hope y'all enjoy this premiere and everything. Yeah, I was gonna make this premiere like 20 minutes, but it's cold, so yeah. You know, so that way, you know, give y'all enough time to look at it and everything. But yeah, the birds were trapped and I saved them. Yeah. Whew. And I think probably tomorrow they're gonna come by and clear the roads and everything like that. So yeah. And I don't know how much degrees outside it is, you guys. I think it's if I'm not mistaken, like 8 degrees, 5 degrees. But I got 2 coats on, you guys. I got my little light jacket on and my heavy coat on. And then I got some gloves on and everything. So, yeah. And I'm not going to stay out here long. I'm playing it safe and everything. Earlier, we went to the store. And we made it home safely and everything like that. Everything was great. And yeah, you guys, I saved the birds. Bye-bye.